Hey guys, so I just want to share with you guys one really neat thing that I found out about the calculator app. This is on my Mi 11 Ultra and I'm sure this is over all your Mi devices, at least I hope so. So your calculator app is more than just your basic calculations. So I'm just going to show you on the top left hand corner, if you press these two arrows, you get your floating calculator. So you can place it over anything that you want really. All right, and you see this water droplet right here. If you click on that, you can adjust the transparency as well in case you want to see something in the background. So that's really neat. So let's go back to that. Okay, now in the bottom left hand corner you have these two boxes and arrows. This brings up your scientific calculator. So remember sine, cos, tan. So yeah, you can use all that. All right, now on top we are right now in the basic calculator, as you can see right here where I'm tapping. Now on the right to it, if you click on that, this is where things get really interesting. So you have an age calculator, area, BMI, data, date, discount, length, mass, numeral system, speed, temperature, time, and volume. So if you go to age, you can just put in your date of birth and to a particular date, if the present or any future date, and it'll give you what's your age, how many months, how many days, when your next birthday is, the number of years you've spent, the days you've spent, the months, the hours, the weeks, and the minutes. And you can share that as well. You can share it or you can add it to calendar. So going back, you can now go into area. So you can convert area very easily. You have all these options here. All right, next you have BMI. So you can input your weight and height in kilograms or pounds, and your height in centimeters, meters, feet, inches, and you can get your BMI. You can even convert data. So in case you want to know, you have date. So this is just from and to. It's not like the birthday. It's the difference you want to know between two dates. So this is really useful. Then you have discount, if you want to calculate discount on a particular product. Then we have length. You have all these different options. So you just go crazy. You even have light here. Wow. So anything and everything you can ask for is here. All right, then we have mass. Again, huge list of options here. Next we have numeral system, so decimal to binary or whatever you want to use. Okay, then we have speed. Then we have temperature, very useful. Time, so this is at picoseconds to seconds. And you have volume. So huge list here as well. Now on the right we have now currency. So now we have currency. So this you obviously have to be like, now you can see it's updating the rates currently. So it's really useful if you want to convert. You do your foreign exchange here. Then we have GST. I mean, this is also very useful nowadays. Nothing is free of GST. Then you have investment. So you can choose one time or recurring. You can give the principal amount and the interest and the duration, and it'll let you know what your total amount is going to be. And you have loan calculator as well. So the Mi calculator is anything but a basic calculator. It is really amazing. And if you go into history and if you tap on a particular calculation, it'll bring that up right away. So that's also very useful. So just want to share this with you guys, that the calculator app is much more, and there is just so much useful conversions and options that you have that you can use. So definitely check that out. Let me know if it's on any other phone apart from the Mi 11 Ultra, or if it's exclusive to that, or if it's in all the Mi devices. I don't know. I'm just using the Mi 11 Ultra, but it's something that you guys should know and it's really useful. So yeah, next time you want to calculate GST, convert something, you just have your calculator that can do everything. Anyway guys, that's been it. If you found this helpful, definitely smash that like button, subscribe to PR Past 9 if you haven't already, and as always, I'll catch you guys very soon in the next one. Cheers.